Well, hello everybody, and welcome to Brightwells update. And I'll show you what they got in at the moment. Took the dog for a walk this morning, and not my dog, somebody else's dog. And I'll took the drone with me, so I'll show you what's going on. Well, I came out of hibernation for that. I hope you enjoyed it. There's, as I say, I can't do it a lot. They won't, still won't let me in. So, until they let me in, and I doubt if they'll let me in until it's an open auction. And for the foreseeable future, through the grapevine, I've heard it's going to be at least another 12 months before they decide to go online again. So that means I can stay in hibernation right throughout the winter. Let's turn that music off. Right. Got to, and yeah. So yeah, so thanks very much for watching that. That's just a short update. As I say, foreseeable future won't be happening, so I do apologize. There is a link in the description for this week's sale. If you're watching it after the 24th, it won't be there. The link will still be there because I ain't altering it. So yeah, the auction car, the vehicles in the auction won't be there. So that's it, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks very much for stopping by. See you again soon.